Hi, today I'm going to teach you how to use the egg timer. This egg timer is very useful for making an onsen tamago. So basically, you need a pot of water and some eggs, and you can put the egg timer into the water to boil together. And have a look of the egg timer now. If you see the orange color becomes a white color, that means onsen tamago is finished. If it goes to the red color, that means it is a hard-boiled egg. Let's go to start the onsen tamago now. Let's turn on the fire. Okay, now we can have a look of the egg timer. You can see the yellow color is becoming a white color. When the white color going up to the orange part, that means the onsen tamago is finished. Okay, I think in few seconds it will be done. Okay, I think it is finished. Turn off the fire and let you have a closer look. So at the beginning it was yellow color here, and then now changed to white color, and then it's almost coming to the orange color. So the onsen tamago is pretty much done. That's my onsen tamago, and I put into my rice and see how's inside. Wow, look at that. It's very